Hello, this is food for thought. So, our food for thought today, I just wanted to ponder over a few things or make suggestions as to some things that we can think of or do when we catch ourselves, having internal monologues or these internal conversations with people in our minds or with situations or news that we've heard that we are brooding over or thinking over. Yes, like I said earlier, words of affirmations or positive words are a good place to start, especially when you are in public or you are doing other things that will not allow you to take yourself out from the place, right? Exactly. So you can have positive affirmations. I am good. I am blessed. I am highly favored. I'm the righteousness of God in Christ. You are blessed. You are highly favored. You are the righteousness of God in Christ Jesus. The kingdom of heaven is within you. And so all wisdom, all power of the Creator is inside of you. And so that should give you that encouragement to know that all things can be possible or are possible for you and for me when we believe, right? Yes. And so my suggestions today is if you are at a place where it is possible to indulge in some other pleasures or things that you can do at leisure that excites you, you can engage in that. Some people love to garden, like gardening. Yes, you can go or do the yard work. It takes your mind off serious issues and it focuses your attention in the present moment. Yes. So anything that will bring your mind to the present moment and what you're doing. Some people love taking care of babies. Yes. When you're with babies or you call a kid, a toddler or somebody below the age of 7 and have a conversation with them. It's so exciting to talk to kids like that. Yes. Excuse me. So yes, you can find a kid or a baby and hold the baby and rock the baby. Singing, yes, you can sing, play some music, exciting and fun music, and sing along. It takes your mind and attention totally and completely away from what is going on or whatever negative thing that got you. And then it focuses your attention on the present moment or what you're doing right now, or some funny or comedy or funny movie, something, it grabs your attention. For those of you who love to read, you can go read, because sometimes, when you start reading and you're so involved in what you're reading, somebody will come and call your name or even talk to you, and you will not hear it because you are so involved in that present moment and what is ongoing right then, right? So yes, those who do art and crafts, knitting, beading, stuff like that, yeah, you can engage in any activity, that just holds your attention away from any bad news or thinking negative or being judgmental or criticizing yourself or other people, right? Sewing, yes, it's just so involving, it gets your attention. Swimming, any kind of sport or activity. I'm not including walking, yes, because I do walking, and sometimes, yeah, I'm walking and I'm still thinking about other things. I catch myself and refocus. So if you're walking, then you try to survey your environment and look at your environment and pick up things, objects in your environment just to grab your attention. But if you are jogging or you are speed walking or you are running or you are doing the treadmill, like something that involves a little more of action than just casual walking, yes, those things can also get your mind you know, away from any negative thing. Yes, like I said, comedy movie is also a good one. Home improvement activities. If you are a carpenter, you are amazing. I mean, you like doing handiwork, stuff like that, or you like assembling stuff or disassembling stuff. Things like that gets your attention away from other thoughts and get your mind in the present moment and involved in what you're doing. Some people can break up items or electronic equipment and put them together. Hey, have fun with it. Do it, right? Because that will really, really help you, and playing any kind of musical instrument. Playing any kind of musical instrument, singing, art and craft, coloring, painting, anything to just get your mind, in the present moment and not wondering and worrying and stressing and judging. Okay? All right. I hope this helps you. If this helps you, um, subscribe and like. Thank you.